everyone, Luke here. So first of all, let you guys know I'm still offering 10% off for all new clients for their hair test, okay, due to coronavirus. Hope you are doing well during your lockdown. Hopefully you're not locked down, but if you are, Godspeed. So in this video, I want to show you my new sauna system, okay? So I was looking at some of the reflective saunas that they have on, like, for example, Go Healthy Next. And then one of the people I know in the program, Dylan, actually, he showed me that he actually ordered one of these off of Amazon. And it's only like $100. And what this is actually it's a grow tent. So they actually use these tents, the reflective tents, to actually grow, mostly marijuana, from my understanding. Okay, you can grow other things in it, but they're mostly using these to grow marijuana. Okay, let's be honest. And what it is, it's just a reflective grow tent where people grow their marijuana plants. But it's basically everything you need for a sauna, right? It comes and then you build it, and it's reflective on the inside, and so it'll shine your light on everything. And it comes in different sizes. You can get one that's a little smaller if you're like in an apartment or something, or you can get one that's a little bit bigger if you want to like stand up while you do it and stuff. And it's actually perfect, and it's it only costs $100 for this. And then you can hang your lights from the inside. I'll show you guys if you want to see the inside. Come on. I'll show you guys here. Okay, see this? So the lights are just hanging from a metal wire, just from the inside of the structure here. Okay, and we can see it's actually pretty big, right? It's pretty cozy. I can stand in it. Okay, so I'll come in here and I'll show you guys. Like, look, I can stand in it, right? And yeah, it works beautifully. I also have a heater in here to make it a little bit warmer, but you can put a blanket on it or whatever, right? To make it more insulated, along with a heater in here if it's outside. But all in all, it works really well, and I will put a link down below with some info about it. All right, so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put a link down below to the one I bought that's this size. Like I said, you can get one a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger, if you want to do yoga in it or whatever, right? But yeah, it's a really great system. I think it's probably the best system that I know of. Instead of building your own, it costs less. It's pretty good material. It reflects the light all around you. You know what I mean? It's pretty well insulated. And like I said, if you want to make it more insulated, you can just put a blanket on top. Or what I did is you can also put a little heater inside, okay, if it's like winter time and it's outdoors, like this kind of is on my porch here. But yeah, that's it. And there will be a link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.